So we have one burnt out headlight over here on the driver's side. You can see the brights work, but the headlight is burnt out. Kind of a cool feature is the marker bulb. So if your headlight burns out, there's still a little bulb in there so they know which side of the car is on. So it's this bulb right here that we need to get out. So right back here is a little thing. You push down on this tab. It can be a little tricky to get. So this pops off and then the whole thing actually comes out like that. Now inside of the headlight, you can see the bulb is right there. Now I'll just wiggle and pull and get that headlight out. With that black piece out, the bulb now pulls out, and there it is. Right there you can see the bulb is broken right between the filament and that connection. There's nothing. Looks like we got a helper with the light bulb. Now to take the bulb out, it's kind of like unplugging an outlet. The bulb just wiggles out like that, and you got the old bulb. In this case, it's okay to touch the glass, but once you get your new bulb, you don't want to get fingers oils on the glass. So I found these bulbs on eBay. They are an LED bulb, and it all has the same mounting bracket. If I go over here to some of the measurements that they have on this picture, I measured it and it's 35 millimeters up, which is the same dimension as the bracket here. And just by looking at the bracket, you can tell that the bracket, it's a little hard to see on the screen probably, but this bracket is the same as that. The connector here at the bottom is the same connector that's on the bottom of the bulb. And this is about $6, and then there's $1.50 shipping. So in total, this would be about $7 for 2 LED bulbs. And the high beam and the low beam on the A4 Audi are actually the same bulb. So you'd get one of these for one headlight and then another for the other. So it'd be about $13. I do want to get those brighter bulbs, but they are shipping from China. It'll take them a while to get here. So I want to see what we have here kind of in stock and see if we have a bulb that would work. Looks like this one right here is just about the exact same bulb. This one's from an older Audi. So it's built also basically the same way. It's for an Audi, so I think this will work just fine. I'm looking at the inside of the headlight to figure out the orientation, and this tab right here goes on top. I'm just gonna wipe off this bulb, make sure there's no finger oils, anything on it. Make sure that's clean. And first, before I put it in there, I wanna plug it in. It's gonna be a lot easier to do this right now. So now I'm gonna put this back in. I know this isn't going to be easy to do it blind. That was a lot easier than I thought to get that in there. It just kind of snapped in place. Now I'm going to take this and put this back in place as well. Alright, now both headlights work just fine. You can see that headlight bulb is lighting up just how it should be, and the brights are working fine. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.